Hey, this is Culver from Symmetry Electronics, and in part 5 of our Medium One video series, we'll be taking a look at the experience of the end user when using Medium One's IoT platform and Digi's XBee3 cellular modem. In our previous video, we talked about how engineers can use Medium One to help them create an end-to-end IoT product with little effort. Now let's take a look at how easy it is for the end user to use an IoT product built with Medium One. With Medium One, you have control over how you want the user to experience your product on the user portal. Here on the user portal, your end user engages with your product on the user dashboard. As an admin of your user portal, you can customize the dashboard and control what the user sees when they log in. Configuring the dashboard consists of editable HTML and JavaScript, which should give you the ability to customize the front end the way you like it. You can also connect a payment processing service with Medium One. Here, we're demonstrating this with Stripe for billing and credit card processing. Here's our smart pillbox that we made for this video series using Medium One's IoT cellular kit with Digi's XBee3 LTE-M cellular modem. Now, if we wanted to use this as a customer, we would first have to activate it by registering on Medium One's IoT Cloud portal. I'm going to show you how we do that. Using Wix.com, we've built a custom website where customers can log into our portal. You have the option of mapping the portal to your domain. Let's create an account, just as the end user would. After going through the email verification process, the end user would log into the portal and subscribe to a plan. Now that the end user has a subscription plan in place, they'll need to link their smart pillbox to their account. They will use the unique IMEI number that is already available within their XBee3 to register their pillbox with the portal. We can confirm that it is connected by going to the dashboard and testing the accelerometer. If the door is currently closed and I open the lid, as we refresh the dashboard, we can see a new alert that the medicine was just taken, which reflects the new action we just took. Next, we'll take a look at how the end user creates a medication schedule for their pillbox. First, the end user would need to put in a phone number to text the alerts to, and then they would need to set up a time for the schedule. We'll put in, say, 9:40 p.m. Keep in mind that we've programmed the code to send an alert if the door is not opened within 30 minutes of the scheduled time. We'll fast forward time a little bit and come back later in the day. Now we're back, and we can see that an alert was sent out 30 minutes after the scheduled time, and a text message was sent out to the provided phone number. We also programmed the smart pillbox to send out an alert if the pillbox ever goes offline. You can see an alert was sent out 30 minutes after the pillbox was disconnected from its power source. Medium One is an excellent starting point for engineering teams looking to create IoT applications, big or small. If you want to learn more about Medium One's products, you can contact them on their website at medium.one. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest technologies in IoT. And for all things wireless, IoT, and video, Symmetry has you covered.